Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC may be trying to have a sneaky run, guys. And what I mean exactly by a sneaky run, that's when they do it not during the day intraday trading, but they try to do it in the after hours or early pre-market from 4 to 9, to where the majority, which own the stock, retail investors, aren't able to then barge in and rush in. The ones that's waiting on the sideline for a real confirmation that we is having a reversal, and then pouring a lot of funds just to stay in for a short period of time and make a quick double up or 30-40% on their money, guys. So it's going to stop a lot of that from happening. Not, all of it, because some people may be smart and then getting in now because they see how well AMC have been holding up at that $13-14 range. We did have a nice little, few days behind us, even though we haven't done much. We've been going up just to go right back down, but we have been showing good signs of strong demand, guys. And we know the demand is there, but we can't control the manipulation that's going on behind closed doors, with all our buying pressure being rerouted through the dark pool over 65% each day, and a selling pressure done on the opening markets. So guys, once we get all this behind us, as long as we can stick to what we know, continue to do what we're doing, I'm pretty sure we will prevail. Things will start to come out. The stock price will run back up regardless, guys, in my opinion. So how could this sneaky run up go down? Going into the weekend, we know back from last year when AMC had its biggest moves, GME, AMC, Express, in the meme stock territory, a lot of the biggest moves happened when Express went from 2 to 10. That move, and when AMC went from 5, when it went from like 19 to 40, the 40 bucks, that move happened from overnight. It happened from the early pre-market, basically, when a majority of the retail investors couldn't barge and get in. They had to wait till the market opened at 9 to 9:30 to get in for Robinhood pre-market. And once they did so, it pulled back, it dropped on them just to try and scare them out before ripping it right back up. So it's going to play games. It's going to play the psychology games. Even though it's manipulated, it's still going to play these games back and forth and try to mess up people's way of thinking so they won't, make the bread, so they won't make the money. That's the stock market for you. It don't want to make everybody rich. Its main objective is to take its money, make sure your account is like preying on you personally. Your account is trying to make sure hawk you and take you for every penny that you got, unless you outsmart it, play meticulously, and know exactly how to not be greedy in the market. Don't ever try to be the pig or whatnot. But AMC's case is a different scenario. But even when you was up, if you had got in early on, if you ain't shaved none off the top and reward yourself for getting in early, that's crazy on you. You always got to be smart. You got to be smarter than the market. Try to outsmart the market, guys. You ain't going to win every time, but that's why you don't try to go big and be greedy. You got to go small, aim small, and home runs, them big ones, they'll come every now and then. I'm fine with making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and every now and then make 20, 15, 30,000. So that's how you got to do it, guys. That's just how I do it. So, learn you though, because everybody's different. Learn you. So anyways, guys, going over into this weekend right here, AMC is looking juicy. We got the whole market coming back right along with it. On yesterday, they tried to do something tricky, have meme stocks down while the market was running, but today it got back on the same frequency. If we could keep this up, and I'm pretty sure coming next week on Monday, the market as a whole might try to do the same thing. These large cap companies, they have some big moves that they could be making right now, like Shopify. It done ran up to 680. From there, this thing could jump $150, $200 a share quick. Not the whole thing. If it's that much that expected, it could easily run up another $50 to $100. But I was waiting for another pullback before getting in, but it done been hammered down so hard that pullback might not really come, because it's just up from here, green after green after green, just as it was red after red after red. So anyways, guys, a lot of these stocks, just as the stock market as a whole, will probably try to make its biggest move in the early pre-market as well going into Monday, trying to keep a lot of people from, piggybacking, skimming, trying to get in and get out and make that easy, quick money. So that will help AMC make his move as well, because it's waiting. It's not waiting like this for no reason. It's trying to run up and do it quick and sneaky so people won't take advantage of this opportunity, guys, of these cheap shares. So anyways, going over into next week, guys, I do think AMC is this big old volcano just ready to explode, guys. All the pressure is built up. All of it is built up so much that when this thing explodes, I really believe we're going to see a $15-$20 day to the upside. First, it might come a $3-$4 day, but that $15-$20 day is coming, guys, and it's going to come quick. That's just my opinion, because there's so much going on with this stock, and everybody is still here a whole year later. That's what is mind-blowing to me, that people is still around. Yes, people frustrated. Yes, people tired. Yes, people, tired of hearing the same old. But the thing is, we is still here. Ain't nobody gone yet. Like I tell everybody in the comments all day long, hey, if you tired, if you ready to talk, if you talking shit, if you doing any of that, just sell your position. Ain't nobody making you stay. Ain't nobody forcing you to stay. Ain't nobody tell you to come in the first place. You get what I'm saying? So that's just being real, guys. So if you one of them ones, hey, ain't nobody making you stay. Get gone, get lost. I'm gonna continue to make my money in these other plays while I continue to hold AMC and wait, guys. So that's all I got for this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update, because next week might be our week. This whole market as a whole, because a lot of people was expecting the market to come down and drop as the Feds hike rates, because we know usually 9 times out of 10 when that happens, the market does drop, because consumers is spending less money, interest rates are higher, people is borrowing less. So that's going to cause the market to come down just a hair, guys, or a good little bit. But in reality, the market did the opposite, the exact opposite. It started rallying and still is holding up, guys. And that's how the market does. Whenever the market report good earnings, good things, the market come down and drop. Whenever bad things come out, that's the psychology of it. Bad things come out, stuff you don't expect the market to go up, that's when it go up. It's trying to drag you and pull you from all these different directions, guys. But you already know that's the way it is. Take what you can take from it, understand how it operates, and sometimes you just got to do the opposite. So not in this situation, but just saying overall, take it, we got to talk about the market, throw all that into the video so you guys can really understand the whole aspect of the market, and not just AMC, but you need to look at the whole overall market. So you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. Consider joining the family. Add your boy on Instagram. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.